So Redtiger has already established itself as quite a reputable brand and a very reliable brand in India. And in this video, we're going to talk about one of the most premium offerings from Redtiger. That's the Redtiger F17 Elite. So this camera has been one of the hot selling cameras in India, especially because this offers you a dual Star-2 setup, gets you dual HDR, gets you 4K front and a 2.5K rear camera resolution. Now, I've personally tried and tested out the F17 Elite for quite some time now, and I'm happy to say the performance is as expected, or should I say beyond my expectations of what the camera can do for you. Starting off with the fact that the F17 Elite offers you a triple channel setup, which means you get near 360-degree coverage front, rear and the cabin of the car. Now, since this camera gets you a Star-2 IMX678 from the front and a Star-2 IMX675 from the rear, the front camera and the rear camera's quality is simply good, and even in terms of reading number plates both during daytime and nighttime, both these cameras do not disappoint. Now, one of the most striking, or should I say the most highlighting feature of the F17 Elite is that this is a 24x7 ultra color dash cam, which means the cabin camera is now able to shoot in color mode even during night time. Now, all the other triple channel dash cams which get a cabin camera are capable of shooting a grayscale video during night under infrared lights. But the Redtiger F17 Elite takes it up a notch by giving you the ability to shoot in color even in such conditions. And on top of it, this camera also gets a super night vision mode which can enhance the brightness of your videos during parking monitoring when your car is parked during night time. Now, I can straight up see the sample on the video in regular parking mode. The videos are kind of a bit dull, more darker, you're not able to make out all the details. But in the Redtiger F17 Elite, the same video gets punched up, gets more brighter, more details are visible, and that's definitely going to help you in parking recording. This camera also gets dual HDR, which means it is able to compensate well for the high bright areas within the video and the dark areas, giving you a more balanced feel. Now, talking about the video quality, the front camera shoots a 4K resolution backed with a Star-2 IMX678, which is kind of the best possible quality any dash cam can offer you these days, and the F17 Elite in that particular aspect does not disappoint. You get one of the finest looking footage from any camera within that particular price range, and the video is excellent in its quality. The brightness, the contrast and saturation levels are well balanced. You also get to see good level of highlights and shadows within the video. The rear camera being the highlighting factor, considering that most of the cameras give you a full HD resolution. Now, the rear camera in the F17 Elite gets bumped up to a 2.5K resolution, which means you get an improved coverage, which means you get an improved video quality in the rear camera when you compare this to the others. The interior or the cabin camera shoots a full HD resolution, which is kind of more than enough for any kind of evidence which you might want to extract from the cabin camera, making the F17 Elite a total package, or should I say a total value for money package. And combining it with the brand reliability and the brand reputation that Redtiger has built in India, this is one purchase which you do not need to hesitate for. The F17 Elite also does get a 3-inch touchscreen panel, and it's a very beautiful display unit. The user interface of this camera is quite simple, straightforward and very easy to use and understand, even for somebody who is using a dash camera for the first time. The video quality being streamed on the camera is also simply good, and this is one of the best LCD panels which I've seen from any dash camera. Combining this with the fact that this camera can also be controlled via voice control and not just the touchscreen gives you the level of convenience which probably very few cameras provide. This camera also gets a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Now, this is the best possible Wi-Fi speeds which you can get from any camera right now, and the F17 Elite does provide it for you. Now, in terms of parking mode, this camera can provide you a 24-hour time-lapse recording, gets you collision detection, and also provides you a night vision parking mode, which we just saw previously. Now, do note that in order to enable parking recording, you will need to purchase a hardware kit. And of course, you can purchase a combo of the dash camera and the hardware kit together. I'll provide you a link just for that in the description below. One more cool aspect about the F17 Elite, which probably all of you will definitely like, is that this camera does provide you a free 128GB memory card right inside the box. So whenever you buy the dash camera, you don't need to fret out on which memory card to purchase separately. You get this right inside the box, and this is something which I personally like. Now, considering all of these unique and pioneering features of the F17 Elite, this camera is a total value for money package, and you should definitely consider getting this at a price of about 27,000 rupees for the triple channel dash cam. And if you're interested in getting the hardware kit, you can grab it at a price of close to 29,000 rupees. So basically less than 30,000, you're getting a triple channel dash cam with a dual Star-V2 setup. You're getting a parking monitoring along with the hardware kit and also a free 128GB card, all under 30k. Definitely go ahead and grab this right now deal. And just to sweeten the deal a bit more, you can grab some extra discount using the coupon code Gizmobeep. I'll provide you all the links right down below in the description along with the coupon code. Grab it with the extra discount and make sure you keep yourself and your car totally safe with the F17 Elite. That being said, if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who want complete coverage and a complete security solution for their car. See you in the next one.